Ionic equilibria. Exercise pages 61-62. Exercise Q1.1 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. The F of 10 to 8 m of HCl is underscore 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, less than 7 4, greater than 7. Solution. The F of 10 minus 8 m of HCl is less than 7. Exercise Q1.2 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. Which of the following solution will have a F value equal to 1.0? 1. 50 ml of 0.1 mHCl जोड़ 50 ml of 0.1 mNaOH. 2. 60 ml of 0.1 mHCl जोड़ 40 ml of 0.1 mNaOH. 3. 20 ml of 0.1 mHCl जोड़ 80 ml of 0.1 mNaOH. 4. 75 ml of 0.2 mHCl जोड़ 25 ml of 0.2 mNaOH. Solution. 75 ml of 0.2 mHCl जोड़ 25 ml of 0.2 mNaOH. Exercise Q1.3 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. Which of the following is a buffer solution? 1. CH3 कोना जोड़ NaCl in water. 2. CH3COOH जोड़ HCl in water. 3. CH3COOH जोड़ CH3 कोना in water. 4. HCl जोड़ NH4Cl in water. Solution. CH3COOH जोड़ CH3 कोना in water. Exercise Q1.4 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. The solubility product of a sparingly soluble salt acts as 5.2 गुना 10-13. Its solubility in mole DM3 is 1. 7.2 गुना 1072. 1.35 गुना 10 to 4. 3. 7.2 गुना 10-8. 4. 13.5 गुना 10 to 8. Solution. The solubility product of a sparingly soluble salt acts as 5.2 गुना 10-13. Its solubility in mole DM3 is 7.2 गुना 10-7. Exercise Q1.5 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. Blood in the human body is highly buffered at a F of 1. 7.4. 2. 7.0. 3. 6.9. 4. 8.1. Solution. Blood in the human body is highly buffered at a F of 7.4. Exercise Q1.6 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. The conjugate base of zinc कोष्टक H2O कोष्टक 4 is 1. zinc कोष्टक H2O कोष्टक 4 zinc कोष्टक H2O कोष्टक 3 zinc कोष्टक H2O कोष्टक 3 zinc H2O H3. Solution. The conjugate base of zinc कोष्टक H2O कोष्टक 4 is zinc कोष्टक H2O कोष्टक 3. Exercise Q1.7 page 61. Choose the most correct answer. For F greater than 7, the hydronium ion concentration would be 1. 10-7 m. 2. Less than 10-7 m. 3. Greater than 10-7 m. 4. 10-7 m. Solution. For F greater than 7, the hydronium ion concentration would be less than 10-7 m. Exercise Q2.01 page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. Why cations are Lewis acids? Solution. Cations are electron-deficient species and can accept an electron pair. Hence, cations are Lewis acids. Exercise Q2.02 page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. Why is KCl solution neutral to litmus? Solution. KCl, being salt of a strong acid HCl, and a strong base coat does not undergo hydrolysis. Hence, the KCl solution is neutral to litmus. Exercise Q2.03, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. How are basic buffer solutions prepared? Solution. Basic buffer solutions are prepared by mixing aqueous solutions of a weak base and its salt with strong acid. Exercise Q2.04, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. The dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 guna 10 minus 5. Calculate percent dissociation of acetic acid in 0.01 m solution. Solution. Given. Dissociation constant Ka equals 1.8 guna 10 to 5, concentration C equals 0.01 m. To find percent dissociation. Formulae. 1. Ka equals a 2C2. Percent dissociation equals alpha guna 100. Calculation. Exercise Q2.05, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. Write one property of a buffer solution. Solution. Properties of buffer solution. I. When a small amount of strong acid or strong base is added to a buffer solution, there is no significant change in the value of Phe. E. The Phe of a buffer solution is independent of the volume of the solution. Hence, the dilution of a buffer solution will not change its Phe. E. The Phe of a buffer solution does not change even if it is kept for a long time. Exercise Q2.06, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. The Phe of a solution is 6.06. Calculate its H ion concentration. Solution. Given. Phe of solution equals 6.06. To find H joule ion concentration formula. Phe equals log 10, H 3 joule calculation. From formula, Phe equals log 10, H 3 joule, log 10, H 3 joule equals Phe equals minus 6.06. Minus 6.06 जोड़ 1 1. 6 1 जोड़ 1 0.06. The H joule ion concentration of the solution is 8.710 guna 10 minus 7 m. Exercise Q2.07, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. Calculate the Phe of 0.01 m sulfuric acid. Solution. Given. Concentration of sulfuric acid equals 0.01 m. To find. For exercise Q2.08, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. The dissociation of H2S is suppressed in the presence of HCl. Name the phenomenon. Solution. The phenomenon due to which dissociation of H2S is suppressed in the presence of HCl is known as the common ion effect. Exercise Q2.09, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. Why is it necessary to add H2SO4 while preparing the solution of CuSO4? Solution. I. The aqueous solution of CuSO4 is turbid due to the formation of sparingly soluble by hydrolysis as shown below. E. If H2SO4, that is H3 joule ions are added, the hydrolytic equilibrium shifts to the left. Turbidity of dissolves to give a clear solution. Hence, it is necessary to add H2SO4 while preparing the solution of CuSO4. Exercise Q2.1, page 61. Answer the following in one sentence. Classify the following buffers into different types. A. CH3COOH जोड़ CH3 कोना. B. NH4OH जोड़ NH4Cl. C. Sodium benzoate जोड़ benzoic acid D. 2 जोड़ CuCl2 solution. Buffer type. I. CH3COOH जोड़ CH3 कोना acidic buffer. E. NH4OH जोड़ NH4Cl basic buffer E. Sodium benzoate जोड़ benzoic acid acidic buffer. If 2 जोड़ CuCl2 basic buffer. Exercise Q 3.01 page 62 Answer the following in brief. What are acids and bases according to Arrhenius theory? Solution. According to Arrhenius theory, acids and bases are defined as follows. I. Acid. An acid is a substance that contains hydrogen and gives H-Joe ions in an aqueous solution. E.g. E. Exercise Q 3.02 page 62 Answer the following in brief. What is meant by conjugate acid-base pair? Solution. I. The base produced by accepting the proton from acid is the conjugate base of that acid. E. Similarly, the acid produced when a base accepts a proton is called the conjugate acid of that base. E. A pair of an acid and a base differing by a proton is said to be a conjugate acid-base pair. Exercise Q 3.03 page 62 Answer the following in brief. Label the conjugate acid-base pair in the following reaction. Solution. Exercise Q 3.03 page 62 Answer the following in brief. Label the conjugate acid-base pair in the following reaction. Solution. Exercise Q 3.04 page 62 Answer the following in brief. Write a reaction in which water acts as a base. Solution. Exercise Q 3.05 page 62 Answer the following in brief. Ammonia serves as a Lewis base whereas AlCl3 is Lewis acid. Explain. Solution. I. According to Lewis's theory, an acid is a substance that can accept a share in an electron pair. In the AlCl3 molecule, the octet of Al is incomplete. Therefore, it can accept an electron pair to complete its octet. Hence, AlCl3 acts as a Lewis acid. E. According to Lewis's theory, a base is a substance that can donate an electron pair. In the ammonia NH3 molecule, the nitrogen atom has one lone pair of electrons to donate. Hence, NH3 acts as a Lewis base. Exercise Q 3.06 page 62 Answer the following in brief. Acetic acid is 5% ionized in its decimolar solution. Calculate the dissociation constant of acid. Solution. Given percent dissociation equals 5%, concentration C equals 1 decimolar to find dissociation constant of acid Ka formulae. I. Percent dissociation equals alpha guna 100. E. Ka equals alpha to C. Calculation. Using formula I. Exercise Q 3.07 page 62 Answer the following in brief. Derive the relation for Joule equals 14. Solution. Relationship between Fa and Po. The ionic product of water is given as Klu equals H3O Joule O. Exercise Q 3.08 page 62 Answer the following in brief. The aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is alkaline whereas the aqueous solution of ammonium chloride is acidic. Explain. Solution. I. Sodium carbonate, Na2, is a salt of weak acid H2 and strong base NaOH. When dissolved in water, it dissociates completely. E. The Na-Joe ions of salt have no tendency to react with O-Gata ions of water since the possible product of the reaction is NaOH, a strong electrolyte. E. If as a result of excess O-Gata ions produced, the resulting solution of Na2 is alkaline. V. Similarly, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, is salt of strong acid HCl and weak base O. When NH4Cl is dissolved in water, it dissociates completely as exercise Q 3.09, page 62. Answer the following in brief. The Fe of a weak monobasic acid is 3.2 in its 0.02 m solution. Calculate its dissociation constant. Solution. Given. Fe of weak monobasic acid equals 3.2, concentration of solution C equals 0.02 m2. Find dissociation constant Ka formula. I Fe equals log 10 H3O jor E. Ka equals alpha 2C. Calculation. From the formula I Fe equals log 10 H3O jor log 10 H3O jor equals minus 3.2 equals 3.0.2 jor 1 1 minus 3 1 jor 1.0.2. Exercise Q 3.1, page 62. Answer the following in brief. In NaOH solution, O is 2.87 guna 10 minus 4. Calculate the Fe of the solution. Solution. Given O equals 2.87 guna 10 to 4 m2. Find Fe of the solution formulae. I Po equals log 10 O E, Fe jor Po equals 14. Calculation. From formula I Po equals log 10 O Po equals log 10, 2.87 गुना 10 minus 4, equals log 100.87 log 10 10 to 4 equals log 102.87 plus 4 equals 4, 0.4579 Po equals 3.5421. From formula E, Fe jor Po equals 14 picohenries equals 14 Po equals 14 minus 3.5421 equals 10.4579. Fe of the solution is 10.457. Exercise Q 4.01, page 62. Answer the following. Define the degree of dissociation solution. The degree of dissociation alpha of an electrolyte is defined as a fraction of the total number of moles of the electrolyte that dissociates into its ions when the equilibrium is attained. Exercise Q 4.01, page 62. Answer the following. Derive Ostwald's dilution law for the CH3COOH. Solution. I. Consider an equilibrium of weak acid CH3COOH that exists in solution partly as the undissociated species CH3COOH and partly H jor and CH3COO ions. Then, E. Suppose 1 mole of acid CH3COOH is initially present in volume V-3 of the solution. At equilibrium, the fraction dissociated would be alpha, where alpha is the degree of dissociation of the acid. The fraction of an acid that remains undissociated would be 1 alpha V. If C is the initial concentration of CH3COOH in mole dm3 and V is the volume in dm3 moles 1, then C equals 1 V. Replacing 1 V in equation 2 by C, we get equation 5, implies that the degree of dissociation of a weak acid, CH3COOH, is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the square root of the volume of the solution containing 1 mole of the weak acid. Exercise Q 4.02, page 62. Answer the following. Define Fe and Po. Solution. I. The Fe of a solution is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the concentration of H jor ions in solution in mole dm3. Fe is expressed mathematically as Fe equals log 10 H jor or Fe equals log 10 H3O jor. E. Similarly, Po of a solution can be defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of the molar concentration of O Ghatav ions in solution. Po equals log 10 O. Exercise Q 4.02, page 62. Answer the following. Derive the relationship between F and Po. Solution. Relationship between F and Po. The ionic product of water is given as Klu equals H3O jod O. Now, Klu equals 1 guna 10 minus 14 at 298 K. Thus, H3O jod O equals 1.0 guna 10 minus 14. Taking the logarithm of both the sides, we write log 10 H3O jod log 10 O equals minus 14. Log 10 H3O jod log 10 O equals 14. Now, F equals log 10 H3O jod and Po equals log 10 O. F jod Po equals 14. Exercise Q 4.03, page 62. Answer the following. What is meant by hydrolysis? Solution. Hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction in which cations or anions or both ions of a salt react with ions of water to produce acidity or alkalinity or sometimes even neutrality. Exercise Q 4.03, page 62. Answer the following. A solution of CH3COONH is neutral. Why? Solution. I. CH3COONH4 is a salt of a weak acid. CH3COOH Ka equals 1.8 guna 10 minus 5 and weak base NH4OH Kb equals 1.8 guna 10 minus 5. When the salt CH3COONH4 is dissolved in water, it undergoes hydrolysis. Exercise Q 4.04, page 62. Answer the following. The dissociation of HCN is suppressed by the addition of HCl. Explain. Solution. I. HCN and HCl both dissociate to produce H jod ions which are common to both. E. HCN is a weak electrolyte. It dissociates to a little extent. Exercise Q 4.05, page 62. Answer the following. Derive the relationship between the degree of dissociation and dissociation constant in weak electrolytes. Solution 1. I. Consider 1 mole of weak base Bo dissolved in V-3 of solution. The base dissociates partially as E. Let the fraction dissociated at equilibrium as alpha and that remains undissociated as 1 Ghatav alpha. V. If C is the initial concentration of base in mole dm3 and V is the volume in dm3 moles 1, then C equals 1 V. Replacing 1 V in equation 2 by C, we get the degree of dissociation of a weak base is inversely proportional to square root of its concentration and is directly proportional to square root of volume of the solution containing 1 mole of weak base. Solution 2. I. Consider an equilibrium of weak acid Ha that exists in solution partly as the undissociated species Ha and partly H jod and A ions. Then, E. Suppose 1 mole of acid Ha is initially present in volume V-3 of the solution. At equilibrium, the fraction dissociated would be alpha, where alpha is the degree of dissociation of the acid. The fraction of an acid that remains undissociated would be 1 Ghatav alpha. The equation 5 implies that the degree of dissociation of a weak acid is inversely proportional to the square root of its concentration or directly proportional to the square root of volume of the solution containing 1 mole of the weak acid. Exercise Q 4.06, page 62. Answer the following. Sulfides of the cation of group 2 are precipitated in acidic solution H2S jod HCl, whereas sulfides of cations of group E are precipitated in the ammoniacal solution of H2S. Comment on the relative values of the solubility product of sulfides of these. Solution: Group 2 and Group E cations are precipitated as their sulfides. However, the solubility product of sulfides of group 2 cations is lower than group E cations. Therefore, for the precipitation of cations of group 2, only a small concentration of sulfide ion is required. This is achieved by passing H2S gas in the presence of strong electrolyte HCl, which has a common ion H joined with H2S. Due to the common ion effect, the dissociation of H2S is suppressed and thus, the concentration of S2 ions decreases. This results only in the precipitation of sulfides of group 2 while sulfides of the higher group remain in solution as they require a higher concentration of S2 ions for precipitation. Exercise Q 4.07, page 62. Answer the following. The solubility of a sparingly soluble salt gets affected in the presence of a soluble salt having one common ion. Explain. Solution. I. The presence of a common ion affects the solubility of a sparingly soluble salt. E. Consider the solubility equilibrium of AgCl. E. Suppose AgNO3 is added to the saturated solution of AgCl. The salt AgNO3, being a strong electrolyte, dissociates completely in the solution. If the dissociation of AgCl and AgNO3 produce a common Ag-Jor ion, the concentration of Ag-Jor ion in the solution increases owing to complete dissociation of AgNO3. V. According to Le Chatelier's principle, the addition of Ag-Jor ions from AgNO3 to the solution of AgCl shifts the solubility equilibrium of AgCl from right to left. The reverse reaction in which AgCl precipitates is favored until the solubility equilibrium is re-established. V. However, the value of Ksub remains the same since it is an equilibrium constant. Thus, the solubility of a sparingly soluble compound decreases with the presence of a common ion in solution. Exercise Q 4.08, page 62. Answer the following. The FA of rainwater collected in a certain region of Maharashtra on a particular day was 5.1. Calculate the H-Jor ion concentration of the rainwater and its percent dissociation. Solution. Given FA of rainwater equals 5.12, find I. H-Jor ion concentration. E. Percent dissociation. Formula. I. FA equals log 10, H3O Jor E. Percent dissociation equals alpha guna 100. Calculation. From the formula I. FA equals log 10, H3O Jor log 10, H3O Jor equals minus 5.1 equals minus 5, 0.1 Jor 1 1. Minus 5 1 Jor 1 0.1. Considering that the FA of rainwater is due to the dissociation of a monobasic strong acid, we have Exercise Q 4.09, page 62. Answer the following. Explain the relation between ionic product and solubility product to predict whether a precipitate will form when two solutions are mixed. Solution. Condition of precipitation. The ionic product, IP, of an electrolyte is defined in the same way as solubility product, Ksub. The only difference is that the ionic product expression contains a concentration of ions under any condition, whereas the expression of Ksub contains only equilibrium concentrations. If IP equals Ksub, the solution is saturated and solubility equilibrium exists. IP greater than Ksub, the solution is supersaturated and hence precipitation of the compound will occur. If IP less than Ksub, the solution is unsaturated and precipitation will not occur.